This is your Barker 007. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys Facebook's new sound emojis. Well, they call them Soundmojis. And in order to get this, you need to be on the latest version of Messenger app, which updated on July 19th. So if you should check Messenger on the Google Play Store or the App Store, as you can see, in the What's New section, we have new Soundmojis, introducing a new way to express yourself in chat through short sound clips featuring noise effects, music, and more. So each sound is represented by an emoji, providing some delightful discovery as you explore the library of fun sounds to share with your friends and family. So let's launch Messenger and check out that. So I have a chat here, and as you can see, how to access these, you would need to tap on the chat box and you'd need to tap the emoji icon. Now from the emoji icon, as you can see to the right, we have this option called Soundmojis. Now there are a few Soundmojis here. As you can see, we have a few of them, and I'm pretty sure that in the future, if this goes well, there will be lots more emojis. Now you could simply tap on each emoji, and as you can hear, it would play its own sound. So basically each emoji here has a different sound, and you could check these out. Feel free to give it a try, and that is how you'd access the Soundmojis feature on Messenger app. Ensure that you have the latest version, and you'd access them by tapping on the emoji icon and scrolling to the right where you'd find Soundmojis. And as you can see, we have all of these here, the various different sound emojis on Messenger app. So thank you guys for checking out this video. Please smash that like button. Hacker 007 out.